Hey guys, it's Neil and welcome to HardCoreLnux. Mint team release Linux Mint 19.3 codename Tricia with useful features, additions, along with the tons of improvements under the hood. So let's take a deep dive inside Mint 19.3. Installation. As always, the installation is easy as it should be. A few clicks and you are off and running. This is a point release based on latest Ubuntu 18.04.3 and it uses Kernel 5.0. What's new? While being an LTS release that will be supported until 2023, it brings a couple of useful features and improvements. Let me highlight some of those for you. System reports. Right after installing Mint 19.3, you will notice a warning icon on the right side of the panel. When you click on it, it should display a list of potential issues that you can take care to ensure the best out of Mint experience. For starters, it will suggest that you should create a root password, install a language pack or update software packages in the form of warning. This is particularly useful to make sure that you perform important actions even after following the first steps on the welcome screen. Improve language settings. Along with the ability to install a language pack, you will also get the ability to change the time format. So the language settings are now more useful than ever. High DPI support. As a result of high DPI support, the system tray icons will gonna look much more better and it will gonna look crispy on high resolution displays. Kernel. As I discussed earlier, it comes with Kernel 5.0 since it's based on Ubuntu 18.04. New applications. Along with the new release, you will no longer find GIMP pre-installed. Even though GIMP is a really powerful utility, they decided to add a simpler drawing app to let users to easily crop or resize the image while being able to tweak it a little bit more. Also, Gnote replaces Tomboy as the default note-taking application on Mint 19.3. In addition of both of those replacements, Celluloid video player has also set as default video player instead of X player. In case you didn't know, Celluloid happens to be one of the best open source video players for Linux. And in the end, Cinnamon Desktop 4.4. In my case, the new Cinnamon Desktop 4.4 desktop experience introduces a couple of new abilities just like adjusting or tweaking the panel zone individually, as you can see now. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked that video and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and do subscribe. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. It's HardCoreLnux signing off. Peace guys.